Hi, DigiDino here. I thought I'd just make a sample and a quick video so it's more easy to explain than in text. So hash table add is actually to add a new key. So you're gonna add something new to the list. And if it's already in the list, it's just gonna do nothing. So I'll just show you quickly. So when I trigger this, it's added here. And when I trigger again, nothing happens. And then I made you a sample here on how you have to take something from an array or from a hash table. And so if I trigger this, as you can see, now it's adding value. And even if I press this again, nothing happened because the variable is already, or the key is already there. So let me explain you how to do this. So with a hash table and an array, you cannot calculate or do some math directly. So you can only get or set something from these items in the list. So what you have to do is use your key. So I have here my reference, my hash table, and then I have this key. At the moment there is no key, but I can just put this also manually, and then it's already there. Then I'm getting the type of int, and I'm storing this in this int value variable. So I have my variable here. Then the next thing I'm doing is int add, and I'm gonna add 5 to that value, so on this variable. And then I use hash table set to set it back into this list, so into this key. So also again my hash table as a reference, and then the correct key, and then type of int and the variable. So when I play this now, and then I add it here, as you can see here, it's added now. So each time when I trigger this, it's gonna get this value, add the 5, and then place the value. So if anywhere later you want to set it to 0, you can also just use hash table set and then type in, and then just place in a value of 0. That would reset the key, or another number. That all depends. Main thing is, so you need to get something, then do the math or whatever you have to do, and then with hash table set, place it back. So I hope this helped you out, and that you can understand better how this works. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.